Universal Citizens Fox News. Global stock indexes rose sharply. The US dollar dropped to a 6-week low and benchmark 10-year US Treasury yields fell to 5-week lows on Friday after data showed US job growth slowed more than expected in October. The job growth slowdown underscored views that the Federal Reserve may be done hiking interest rates. US 2-year yields also were the lowest since early September after the data, which showed US job growth slowed in part as strikes by the United Auto Workers Union against Detroit's Big Three carmakers depressed manufacturing payrolls. The data also showed the increase in annual wages was the smallest in nearly 2.5 years, pointing to an easing in labor market conditions. Wednesday's US Central Bank decision to leave rates unchanged and comments by Fed Chair Jerome Powell indicated to some investors that the Fed may be done raising rates. The Bank of England on Thursday also left rates unchanged. Central bank officials, however, stressed that more may need to be done to tackle inflation. Benchmark 10-year yields fell as low as 4.527%, the lowest since September 29th. 2-year note yields reached 4.847%, the lowest since September 1st. A decision on Wednesday by the US Treasury to issue less long-term debt than expected also fueled the rally in bonds, as did data on Thursday suggesting the US economy might finally be cooling. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 307.85 points, 0.91% to 34,146.93 points. The S&P 500 gained 55.68 points, 1.29% to 4,373.46 points, and the Nasdaq Composite added 225.03 points, 1.69% to 13,519.22 points. Bucking the trend of the broader market, Apple shares were down 0.9%, a day after the company reported quarterly results and warned of a dull holiday quarter. The Pan-European STOXX 600 index rose 0.17%, and MSCI's gauge of stocks across the globe gained 1.44%. The US dollar index dropped to a 6-week low after the jobs data. In afternoon trading, the dollar index fell 1.111%, with the euro at 1.07% to 1.0734 per dollar. The Japanese yen strengthened 0.72% versus the greenback at 149.31 per dollar, while sterling was last trading at 1.2379 per dollar, up 1.46% on the day. In commodities, oil prices ended lower, with the geopolitical risk premium waning. Brent crude futures settled at $84.89 a barrel, while US crude futures dropped $1.95 to settle at $80.51. Spot gold added 0.4% to $1,994.31 an ounce.